Oke guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nah, di video kali ini saya akan berburu ayam hutan guys, bersama mbak saya, Mbak Sadik. Mudah-mudahan dikasih rezeki ya guys dalam perburuan hari ini. Sama unit saya Musel UD32 laras 70, panjang tabung 55 guys. Oke guys, jangan lupa like, komen, share, dan subscribe nya ya guys. Cuacanya ini cerah sekali guys. Oke, buat seluruh dealer Indonesia dimanapun kau berada, salam satu laras, salam satu hobi. Oke guys, lanjut ya guys. Alhamdulillah guys, di pagi hari ini saya dikasih poin, tidak sia-sia guys. Bersama mbak saya itu guys, lagi makan dia guys. Masih ada sisa yang dikasih orang tadi guys. Oke, lanjut. Jangan lupa ya guys, like, comment, share, dan subscribe nya ya guys. Oke, lanjut ya guys. Sama unit blasteran guys. Tapi sayang guys, sudah berkarat ini guys. Lama nggak di hunting guys, nggak diajak berburu ini guys. Sibuk kerja guys. Oke bah, sip gak? Mantap.
Oke, mantap.
Mantap ya guys. Win guys. Oke, simak videonya ya guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mereka rancak ya, Bu. Ya capok, tahu dong mal buru dah. Buru ya. Yang di shot barusan guys. Lihat guys. Yang di shot barusan itu guys. Oke. Oke. Lanjut ya guys. poin ya. Oke guys, kita ambil poin guys. Mantap, langsung goreng guys. Oke, kita shot lagi guys, takut lagi guys. Oke, udah tidak guys. Oke, ambil poin. Tap. Oke guys, ambil poin guys. Langsung roboh guys. Mantap. Pas ya guys. Oke. Tadi shot dari sana guys. Poinnya. Oke, kita ambil poin ini guys.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, hard impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask, grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word and act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're just freaked out. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and read out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I march until it's over,
Meticulous